Hey, so today I'm reviewing the Camplux outdoor portable tankless gas water heater. And we actually purchased this for camping. And so we don't have to use those bathrooms. So for showering. So we purchased this and we have a shower tent that we're going to put it in. But we're getting it all set up now, and I thought this would be the perfect time to show you guys everything that comes with it. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory, how you adjust the gas and how you adjust the water. This is everything that came in the package. So you have your instructions and your shower sprayer. This has an on and off, so you can on and off. So you got your shower sprayer. This is your shower nozzle. It comes with a holder if you want to mount this to something, and then two adapter nozzles, instruction booklet, adapters, and we actually already put this adapter on. This is the hose adapter, so make sure there is 2 adapters that come with it. This is the hose one if you want to hook it to a garden hose, so make sure it's the size. It comes with the gaskets, so there's one in here so you can make sure you have a tight fit. And then this already comes installed, the propane holder. So we have our tank here, and we're going to test it out with a garden hose, and we're going to show you how it runs. My husband ran to grab some 9-volt batteries, which will go in there, and that's for the ignition, and we'll show you how it works. All right, so we got it all hooked up. We just have it outside and we're testing it out. So we did get this connected. Make sure this is super tight on here, and then this just is a quick connect, and that connects on. And then here's your hose sprayer attached to it with your on and off. Now we'll show you how much pressure and how much stuff you can get out of it. So go ahead, babe. We're gonna turn it on. You can hear it light right up, so it's a really quick ignition. And then this is, right now we have it set on max heat and kind of medium water pressure. So you have that right there, and it's nice and warm. It's not super hot. It's super adjustable. You have the shower head here. Like I said, you can hear it kick on super quick. And then here is your shower sprayer. Oops, I hit the button again. Hard to do this one-handed, guys. All right, so you have 3 different modes. This is a combination, and then your spray. And that's pretty good water pressure. And like I said, this is just coming from the hose. So this is going to make showering at campsites, or even you could purchase this for like a property that you have, campsite, but it's all runoff or propane tank and a garden hose. So I would definitely recommend this, and we can't wait to use it.